Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to head me low, they are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Gracie, go over there.
Come on, Gracie. Like your new vest? Can you tell everybody Merry Christmas? Gabby's got the GoPro on. Go, Lily, go. You better go, Lily, go. Lily's like, I'm out of here. Look at her. That's funny. She's doing way better. Come here, Grace. Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on, Gabby. Come on. Come on, Gracie. You want to go eat? Gracie, you want to go eat? We'll go eat? Let's go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hey, welcome back to the channel. You guys, I hope you all are having an awesome time with your family today. We kind of just been in chill mode. I recorded us opening some presents and stuff. I'll show you guys that here in a minute. I also got the GoPro on Gabby. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what Gabby and Gracie are doing outside running around. It's the first time I put this on her in a long time. And we'll see what she's got. Probably nothing. She's probably just hanging out on the front porch the whole time. But I'll show you that. So hope you guys are having a great day, like I said. And if you're getting ready to travel back home or tomorrow or this weekend, be safe. Please be safe. There's a lot of people out there traveling, and just be safe. So all right, it's really windy out here today, so I don't know how much I'm going to film out here. I need to work on the chicken coop a little bit. I might show you a little bit of that, but mainly it's just going to be us open up the presents, and maybe I'll go in there and I'll show you guys what we got. So hope you guys like today's little Christmas vlog. Like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Jesus, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What y'all got going on here?
Nothing, and I got a LOL.
What'd you get?
LOL house.
Wow, that's big.
Hadley.
Y'all woke me up and come here to this? What'd you get, Hadley?
You didn't know what I meant.
Ryan's toys?
Look at my snow globe. And look at this very tiny mini banana.
Oh.
And look at this. Small. Or small.
Whose TV is that?
Mine.
Oh.
And help her on Santa's footsteps. Yeah, and
You heard Santa coming?
yeah,
Hey,
and
all the cookies?
I saw.
Did you eat those?
No, I saw him and I heard a head hit the fireplace. But
Really?
I'm serious.
Are you sure? Wow.
What is all that? Oh my.
Dang, Hayden, what'd you get?
I don't got this bodywork stuff. Oh my. Oh! Is that something else?
Look at her. Oh my, this is bingo? You don't want these to add your stuff? Oh.
Man.
You guys got bedding. We're going to make
You guys got too much stuff. That's it.
All out of there.
Dad, look. I got mom gingham. She gave me 3 gingham stuff.
I forgot. I'm glad Hayden reminded me. We're going to make you guys' beds.
So I was like, why does she have this pillow? Like,
Good job.
Christmas opening presents?
Yeah, I got. Now I have 3 candles of my own.
Now, first hand got me this. Now, second
Oh.
So.
What'd you get? What is that, Hopi? I bet everyone liked your song earlier.
Yeah.
Is that like a bus?
It's a clamper.
An LOL?
Did you hear her?
What?
Not a camper, it's a glamper.
It's a glamper? You guys want to tell everyone Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Look,
Why did you say it so long?
a DJ.
Ready to tell everyone Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Hallie, would you want to show the camera anything you got?
Yeah.
I'm going to show them real quick, just a couple things.
Can I
you
show you
got there.
something?
Yep.
That puppy peed.
Lily and
Look,
I,
it pees? That's funny.
Lily and I are taking a nap.
Oh, wish I could. Hey, Gabby, where's Gracie? Let's go find Gracie. Oh, that looks good, Hadley.
No, I also got this.
That looks good. I like it.
Thank you.
Is that baby real? Is that a real baby? Oh my gosh. That almost looks real, don't it? You like, what's his name?
Caleb?
Caleb? I like it. What are you doing, Hayden? Merry Christmas.
Hi.
You want to tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Hayden's TV is on the ground for right now. I just got it programmed, but we're actually going to put it up on the wall. Whenever we built this, I had it set up in all the bedrooms where if we wanted to put a TV up on the wall, we could. So she wanted that for Christmas. She could watch her Netflix and things like that in here. You want to show them anything? All right, let's look. Whoa. Hey, tell them your YouTube if they want to see in detail what you got. I'm going to post a video of everything.
Hayden Riley.
That's your YouTube name? So go check out Hayden Riley. I put an iCard up right there, I think. And you guys go subscribe to Hayden. You got like 2,000 subscribers, don't you?
Yeah.
Good job. You do jiu-jitsu and all kinds of other things. So if you guys want to see everything Hayden got, go subscribe to Hayden Riley. So all right, guys, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are having just a wonderful day at the family. Like I said earlier, you know, this is a hard times for a lot of people, missing loved ones and family members that have gone. I know I struggle with holidays, missing some of my family, and so I know a lot of you guys do too. My grandma's been gone for going on over 8 years now, and Christmas, I think about her almost every day, but Christmas is usually one of the times I think about her quite frequently. I mean, it's just holidays in general. So I know if I'm thinking about loved ones I've lost, I know you guys are too. So just always keep them in your thoughts and just know that hopefully they're in a better place. Hopefully they're in a better place. So that's all the vlog we're going to have today inside the house. I am going to go outside and install that door. So if you've been following me on the new chicken house build, new chicken coop build, you guys can come outside with me here in a minute, and I'm going to try to install the door, make sure it fits and all that. So I'll show you guys that process, and I'm going to get off here. Okay, it's a windy day out here today, so I'll probably just film a little bit, try and get this door in here. I'm probably going to need some shims. I don't know if I have any around. I did have a whole pack, but I don't know what I did with them. But if I need shims, I'll still probably just secure it down and come back and shim it later and level it and all that. I just want to make sure this cutout is going to be the right size. So it's so windy out here, I'm probably just going to throw some music up over it. And when I get down, I'll come talk to you guys here in a minute. Well, to my surprise, the door fit in there just like a glove. That's awesome. I checked the levelness. It's all level. It's closing and open just fine. I'm gonna need to get a weather strip down there below. I'll have to go buy one because this didn't come with one, obviously, because it's not made for that. But I'm gonna have, the next thing I'm gonna do with this door is I'm gonna paint it with some outdoor paint or something. I'll figure something out exactly what I need to do. But I think this door is gonna last for a while. So if anything, if I need to replace it in a couple of years, then I'll replace it in a couple of years with something better. But I think it's gonna last for a while. You know, reading some of y'all's comments, you all agree with me on this. As soon as I get it painted and all that, y'all said paint the bottom of it and top of it for sure. But yeah, I think it's gonna be awesome. Check this out. I was surprised it fit right in there on the first time. That's awesome. All right, so the chicken coop's coming along. That's all I'm gonna film today. I don't know if I'm gonna get out here on the ladder and try to put some of these trusses up or not. It is super windy. Maybe this evening, if the wind dies down, I'll come out here and put the trusses up. If I do that, I'll film it for another video. But you guys, thanks a lot for tuning in to today's Christmas special, you might say. You know, I tell you guys all the time, I love you guys. I love the support that you give us. I can't thank you all enough, and I think you guys know I truly mean that. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Me and my family greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I always say, if you liked it, smash that like button for me, foot. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. We love you guys. Thanks for all your support. Can't tell you guys that enough. It means the world to me and my family. There's people out there that care about us, and we care about you guys too. So safe travels this weekend. Merry Christmas once again, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Want your bone, Gabby? Want your bone? Here's your bone. Get your bone. Want your bone? Huh? You want it? You want your bone?